guys, AK guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Today's video is about what happens if you overfill your vehicle with engine oil. What will happen to your car? So you can see that we have dipstick here. Yes, you can see that we have dipstick. So that dipstick will determine the level of engine oil inside your car. So let's go and check what is going to happen if you overfill your engine oil. So here we have a dipstick would will tell you the level of the engine oil that you fill to your engine. So we have here one. You can see here we have 1, 2, 3. So we have the minimum and then the maximum one. The minimum and then the maximum. So if you fill your engine oil, then you check it with your dipstick. You see. So you can see that to this one the engine oil is here. Yes, and it's normal to reach this place. So when you fill your engine oil is overdose or overfill here or here, sometimes here, if it overfill, you shouldn't overfill your engine oil. When you fill your engine oil over the one, the things that are going to happen to your car engine or vehicle is one, you get engine damage. Yes, engine will damage because of the heat, that's the friction and the heat that engine will create. And then the two, it wouldn't lubricate well because the crankshaft will get contact with the engine oil, and it whip out the engine oil, and then it creates a foamy oil. Yes, it creates a foamy. So instead of lubricate well, it doesn't do that. Doesn't work like that. So and then the next thing is going to spoil your converter, catalytic converter. Yes, they're going to spoil it because of the oil that's overfill. The oil that's overfill, because overfill, the oil will come out from the piston rings inside the combustion chamber. Then,
in
then
a combustion chamber. So then
instead of
the
it's supposed
petrol
to
and
burn
air mixture have to
only
burn,
mixture of
then the
fuel and
oil
air,
itself
the
will
oil
mix the
itself burn.
mixture,
So
then
it
oil
will have
got
an
burned
effect.
inside the combustion chamber.
Then
Then
the
it's sent into
fuel
the
or the smoke will
manifold,
come
yeah,
directly to the
through the manifold to the
converter, and it affects
catalytic
the
converter.
converter.
So
And then
if the raw
the
smoke
next
of
thing
the
is
oil get into the catalytic converter,
there will be a
it will
leakage.
damage the
Yes, there will
converter.
be a leakage.
So this is the problem that
So
you get or you face, the challenge that you face if you fill your engine oil over. Yes, so here it is, and then it will come on the top of the spark plugs. The oil will fill the place of the spark plug and it will affect the spark plug too. And other one is it will be a leakage. Yes, a leakage around the valve cover. The seal will leak. So when it happens like this, it affects your seal, and then the crankshaft seal too will leak.
so here you can see that the crankshaft is up here. You can see the crankshaft is up. Yes, you can see the crankshaft is up. It doesn't come contact with the oil inside the sump or crankcase, so it's separated. So it shouldn't come up and then touch, overfill and then touch the crankshaft. That will cause friction, and then the oil will also heat up, which can cause overheating, so it's different. And then if happen like that, and if you overfill your oil, engine oil, to touch the crankshaft, then this one too, the lubrication will be not properly well. Then the oil too will transfer from here to the piston. So you can see the piston here. So if overfill, the oil will come here, the combustion chamber. So instead of burning the mixture of petrol and air, this oil will pass through the rings and then come up here. Then it burns oil. Then after burning the oil, there's a result. The result will be a smoke. So you see your car engine is smoking because of overfilling of your engine oil. Yes, overfill your engine oil. The oil will pass through here and immediately get here to is overfill. The plugs also you get it on. It transfers to the plugs and it will dye your plugs, your spark plug. So you shouldn't fill your engine oil with engine oil overfill. You shouldn't do overfill of engine oil so that it will bring problem to you. If it happen like that, it create more problems for you. Overfill, you shouldn't do overfill of engine
This is the
oil
problem that
so
you
that
get
it
when
will
you
bring problem
overfill your
to you.
engine
If
oil.
it
To
happen like that, it
avoid
create
not to
more
fill
problems
your engine
for you.
oil
Overfill, you
over,
shouldn't
to
do overfill
avoid
of engine oil
crankshaft
so that it
damage
will bring
and
problem
leakage of
to you. If
oil
it happen
because of
like
the
that, it
oil
create
pressure
more
that
problems
it carries
for you.
out
Overfill, you shouldn't do overfill
from
of
the
engine
seal
oil
of the
so that
crankshaft.
it will bring problem
So don't
to you.
overfill
If it
your
happen like that, it
engine to
create more
avoid
problems
the big
for you.
cost